What if I told you there's a place in the universe where the sun doesn't just set, it glitches, it stops, moves backward, and sets twice? Or a sunset that turns the sky blue instead of red? Or worse, a sunset where the sun disappears into a black hole? This isn't sci-fi, this is real. There are trillions of planets out there. Some orbit two stars, some orbit dead stars, and some orbit things so extreme they shouldn't even have planets at all. So today we're traveling across the universe to witness the most beautiful and most terrifying sunsets ever. Stay until the end because the last one will break reality. Let's start with something close. Mercury. No atmosphere, no clouds, just a black sky and a blinding sun. But here's the twist. The sun doesn't set normally. It slows down, stops, moves backward, then finally sets again. A double sunset. Why? Because Mercury spins slowly but whips around the sun insanely fast. At one point, it literally outruns its own day. So the sun? It rewinds. Now, imagine standing on Venus. You wouldn't even see the sun. The sky is buried under thick, toxic clouds. Pressure here? 93 times Earth. As sunset approaches, the sky doesn't turn colorful. It goes from yellow to dark red to total black. No stars, no light, just darkness. And the craziest part? A single sunset here can last for days. Mars flips everything. A red planet with a blue sunset. As the sun drops the sky around, it glows blue. Not red, not orange, blue. Because tiny dust particles in the air bend light in a different way. So instead of scattering blue away, they send it straight into your eyes. It's cold, alien, and completely real. Now let's go bigger. Jupiter. You can't even stand here. It's all clouds from above them. The sun looks tiny, far away, and sunsets happen fast, really fast. One day on Jupiter, less than 10 hours. That means the sun rises and sets multiple times in a single Earth day. It's like watching a sunset on fast forward, but the real chaos starts on the moons. On Io, sunset is actually an eclipse. The sun vanishes behind Jupiter for hours. On Europa, the ground starts glowing after sunset. Radiation hits the ice and makes it shine in the dark. And on Ganymede, you get auroras, massive, strange light waves dancing across the sky. Now, Saturn. Here, the sun isn't the main event. The rings are. As sunset begins, shadows crawl across those rings, slowly shutting off the light piece by piece, like the sky itself is turning off. And on Titan, everything is covered in thick orange haze. As the sun sets, the world fades into deep brown darkness over lakes of liquid methane. Then there's Uranus. If you stood at the pole, you'd wait 42 years for sunset. But when it finally happens, the sky fades from bright cyan to deep blue, cold, quiet, endless. On Neptune, the sun is just a tiny dot, 900 times dimmer than on Earth, and sunset, blue to black. That's it. Now let's leave our solar system. Some planets orbit so close to their stars the sun fills half the sky. Others orbit pulsars, dead stars spinning insanely fast. Imagine a sunset that flickers like a strobe light, blinking hundreds of times per second. And then there are planets being destroyed. Every sunset literally tearing them apart. But nothing compares to this, a sunset around a black hole. Here, light bends, time slows, the sky warps, stars stretch into glowing rings, and the sun never truly sets. It just distorts, twists, and disappears into darkness forever. Across the universe, sunsets aren't peaceful. They're violent, unstable, alien, and sometimes they're the last thing you'll ever see. So next time you watch a sunset on Earth, remember this. You're standing in one of the only places where it's actually calm.